Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to make eye-catching zoom animations for your Canva projects. Click the Create button to start your new project. Next, select the Custom Size option and enter 1920 by 1080 pixels for your canvas dimensions. Confirm your settings to open the workspace at the correct size. Now, navigate to the Elements tab on the left side menu. From there, locate the Photos section to browse available image options. This completes the setup for your project, and you're ready to add and customize images. Type anime and family photo into the search bar. Once you've entered your keywords, locate the Generate button below or next to the input field. Click the Generate button to start the process. The system will now use your prompt, combining anime and family photo themes to create new images. Wait a few moments while the images are being generated. When the results appear, you can browse through the images and select your favorites. Select the desired item by clicking on it. Next, to enlarge the selection, either use the resize handles to drag and expand it, or simply click on the designated enlarge button. This allows you to adjust the size quickly and precisely as needed for your project. Click the Edit button, then select Magic Expand. Choose the home page and click Expand. The image on your page will automatically grow in size. This tool allows you to quickly make images larger without losing quality. Now, you can see the updated, bigger image displayed on your page. Continue editing as needed. Click the Duplicate button to create an exact copy of your current item, allowing you to make quick edits or changes. Next, let's increase the size of the image to create a zoomed-in effect. Click once on the image to select it. Then, locate the resize handles around the image border. Click and drag one of the corner handles outward to enlarge the image while keeping its proportions. Continue dragging until you reach your desired size. This adjustment will make the image stand out and give it a zoomed appearance. When you are satisfied with the new size, release the mouse button to apply the change. Duplicate the current item by selecting the Duplicate option. Once duplicated, move to the next version in your list. Click to enter the newly created duplicate. After confirming the changes or making any necessary edits, use the Duplicate option again to create another copy. This process allows you to quickly generate multiple versions. Repeat these steps as needed to efficiently manage and update your versions within the application. Click the Duplicate button to create a copy of your current item. Next, add the machine move effect to the duplicated layer. This will introduce motion to your project. Adjust the settings of machine move to create a zoom effect, focusing on the area you want to highlight. Play back the sequence to preview the zoom animation. Fine-tune the zoom level and duration as needed for a smooth transition between your original and duplicated layers. Click Apply between all pages to confirm your changes. Next, watch the preview to see the result. You'll notice that the zoom effect is now applied to the image, allowing you to see how the transition looks across all your pages. Click the Share button to download your project as an MP4 video. Select the highest available quality to ensure your downloaded video looks its best. Confirm your download settings before proceeding, then start the download process. Once the file is saved, you'll have your project in the maximum possible quality for sharing, playback, or further use. Now you know how to create a smooth zoom animation in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tricks.